fishbowling for the minute. Where'd my tint go? I think we're gonna go a little darker. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. As you see, there is no tint currently on the RS. It is getting removed. That is because we are going darker. We are going 5% all the way around and doing the windshield. So right now we got the tint off of the driver's or passenger side window and the back, and we literally just got started. Alright guys, and this is what the car looks like without a spoiler. It definitely needs to spoiler back on ASAP. So good. Look at that hood. Little update. Alright guys, it's all done for the night. Completely blacked out. Alright you guys, as you see, the car looks so much better with the new tint. It looks absolutely amazing. We went with 5% all the way around, and of course we did a 50% tint on the windshield. I'm in love with it. It makes so much of a difference. Even while driving at night, you don't get so much of a glare from other cars' headlights. Usually I have a problem at night and it bothers my eyes, and I gotta admit it made so much of a difference, and I'm very, very happy with the results of it. I did go with an XP Ultra Ceramic, so it's almost on the level of something like Expel, and it really turned out great. If you're in the Fresno area, definitely check out Wrap My Ride. He does an amazing job. I'm very happy of the work that he did, and I definitely recommend him. And really, it makes a big difference. Sure, I wasn't fishbowling before because that was actually the first modification that I did to the RS, and really it's the first modification that any car person should do, regardless of what kind of car it is. Tint makes a big difference. It keeps the car so much cooler. It makes the appearance look so much better overall. It's really worth it. I really appreciate how it makes the car look. The 5% all around makes it look so much better, and I'm very, very pleased on how it turned out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the little cinematic that I did. It's something new for me. I really put a lot of work into it, so hopefully it turned out great. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.